Hi, today we will see how to use the query command in Abaqus. So basically, query command in Abaqus is used to know the example problems INP where some commands are used. So suppose if I want to search for the example problems where some specific commands are used, what should I do? So I should just go to CMD and type Abaqus. Uh, Find keyword, then enter. Then it will ask me star which command I need to write. So I will write star import, then enter. And if I want to use one more command, so it will give a combination of both star import and suppose I want star restart. Then it will give me one example problem, few example problems where both these commands are used in the same time. And then if something more I need, it's suppose I need star static. That's it. I'll click on enter. So it will say it has found some files, but let me check again. So it has found some files where all these commands are used. So in benchmark problems, it has found some files where all these three commands are used. And in training problems, it has found this file. So I'll just go on and download this file. Suppose we'll download this file. Let me download this. So for downloading, just open again and type abacus fetch j is equal to the job name. That's it. So it will download this file, and now we can see whether this file contains this things. So it contains star static, star restart, and star import. So this way you can download various files from the Abacus which contains specific commands, and you can know the how to use that command. This is a very short video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.